Yo homes, welcome back to another After Effects tutorial, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to use the typewriter text animation in After Effects without any plugin, etc. It's one of my favorite text animations, and let's begin. Using a typewriter text animation effect is very simple in After Effects because it's a preset that exists by default in After Effects and you don't need any plugin or extra skills for that. You just need to know where to find it. So let's just type out something. This is part of a video that's live on the channel. You can check it out. And the typeface I'm using is Extratroll. It's a custom one that I designed myself. You can get it for free. I'll add a link to that too in the description. And now that the text is done, let's just move on to the animation. With our text ready, let's just move on to finding the animation. You can find all the presets of effects and presets under the effects and presets tab that you have by default on your side panel in the in the essential setup. If you don't know how to, if it's not available, you can just go to Windows from the main menu and from the workspace select essentials and it will get you will get it by default. Now just click on effects and presets and then we'll get on to this particular animation. Now in the effects and presets submenu, just type type in the search bar because that will just give you the result, or you can just move into the drop down menu and you will get an option called animation presets, and below that you will get text, and below that you will get several options, typewriter being one of them. So once you find it, with the text list selected, just double click on the typewriter option and it will get set on it automatically. Now there's one thing you need to know: the animation will start at the point where your indicator is in the timeline menu. So if you want it to begin from a particular point, just go to that particular time point in the timeline and then double click the typewriter. You can also edit the time later on in the keyframe, but this is just easier. Now you can custom modify the default settings by going in the drop down menu of your text layer. Just click on the down arrow and then you'll get option of text. Under that, once you click that, there will be another drop menu, and in that you'll get several options, and one of them will be animator 1, which is the animation you just put, which is the typewriter animation. In the range selector, you can experiment a little more. You can add more keyframes, you can modify the keyframes, you can speed down. This depends on what you're looking for. It's very specific to your needs and your style, so just play with it till you get what you're looking for. Well, this is basically how you use the typewriter text animation in After Effects without any plugin, etc. So this is basically how you do it. Go use it on your projects. You can also find other animation presets under the animation presets tab on the text. Go experiment with them as well. Well homes, thanks a lot for watching the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it and will find it useful. All the best to your projects where you will be using it. Please subscribe to the channel for more, hit the bell notification to stay notified. There are a lot more tutorials on the channel already and there are more coming. Check the description section for useful links like links to my resources and links to my social media pages on other